Morning children, today we are going to write the long question answers of civics lesson number 2, pillars of democracy. The first question is that discuss how intolerance can destroy the democratic system of a country. Answer: tolerance and inclusiveness are important features of democracy. Intolerance destroys the very foundation of democracy. Intolerant majority can damage the country's democratic structure. So also an intolerant minority can do the same. Unnecessary agitations, bandhs, violent protest became forms of minority intolerance. In democracy, it is important to respect the opinions of other people. Tolerance is a virtue which makes a successful democracy. In democracy, one should respect the rights and views of others. India is known for its tolerance. It has welcomed different races, faiths, and ideas of people. India's unity in diversity make it unique among world nations. The answer is complete. Second question: what do you understand by political discipline of citizens? Answer: political discipline means one should be aware of their rights and duties. They should be willing to fight for their rights and willing to perform their duties. Violence or use of force has no place in democracy. People should use persuasion to bring change in the activities of the people. Freedom is the essence of democracy, so disagreements are unavoidable. People should respect the views of others even if those views are in sharp contrast with their own. Thus, enlightened, tolerant, and disciplined citizens are an essential condition for successful working of democracy. Number 3. Equality and human dignity are the core values of a democracy. Discuss. Answer 3. Democracy is based on the principles of equality and human dignity. Democratic society should be free from all forms of discriminations. There should not be any caste difference, gender difference, or regional or language differences. All should be treated equally, and every citizen is equal before law. One caste should not humiliate the other caste. Humiliating words are violation of human dignity. Human dignity is the core value of democracy. A society can be called democratic only if all its members are respected as human beings and with dignity. Human dignity and equality leads to the successful functioning of democracy. So there should not be any discrimination on the basis of any things that people think is valuable in their life. So the answer is complete. In this way, civics lesson number 2 is complete, and children, you will write down the answers in your copy and learn whatever answers are given, and you have to read the lesson also so that you can understand the question answer in a better way. You will write down the history question answers also in the history side. One copy can be used for history and civics. You can